When you're picking a perfect plant for the landscape, we always tend to look at the top first, and that's very important, but it's the roots that make the shoots. So let's take a peek here at what we've got, of course, in the dormant season. These have been sitting in the greenhouse. You can see this particular prairie smoke has a reasonably good root mass, but it's pretty root bound already. We're always looking for those good, nice, new white root tips. This one has a great top. It's in need of repotting. The size of the plant makes a big difference, as does the size of the pot. These are both rosemaries, and you'll notice on the small one here, we have a root system that really is actually to the point where it needs to be repotted. So you could take this home. You would have to do a little bit of manipulation on this, do some pinching, of course, to make sure that that plant stays healthy. And if you look at the rosemary in the big pot, what you see is this one really probably just got repotted and has some nice root initiation starting. The height of that pot, or the height of the soil against the plant, is also very important. You don't want a lot of soil covering the root mass of the plants because that is essentially buried too deep. Look at this one, which is a vine that's a little hard to trellis, but this is a pretty small pot. And this again is a root system that doesn't look terrible, but it's been in that container a long time. It's got good root initiation here though, and it's also got decent stems. So it is that combination of the roots to the shoots that you look at if you're really going to pick a good plant for the landscape.